Now there's a naughty geezer. Proper naughty. And he deserves a right proper welcome, don't he, lads?
You just saved me a lot of trouble coming here, Batman. I'm gonna kill you. Then I'm gonna jumpstart your heart. And kill you again.
Looking for Black Mask. Where is he?
I ain't here to talk. I'm here to kick your ass.
This is your last chance.
Save yourself up, animals. You're gonna get eaten. This might only be 2 hits. Me hitting you. Hold up, because just think.
Who wants to show me where the penguin is?
Alright, you lousy mugs. Time to earn your supper.
What is this freak?
Did your mother teach you to fight like that? He's there looking for Cobblepot boy. Let's make sure he don't find him.
You're a scary, scary man.
Any of you don't want a piece of what I'm offering, get down there and sort him out.
This gives me an egg.
You don't have that on him.
This'll stop you.
You poncy wankers, let him get to Cobblepot. It'll be the last thing you do.
Just what the duck.
Bugger it all. You lads sure are a disappointment. To the casino. Someone's got to warn Cobblepot of what's coming his way.
I'll learn. I'll take this. Merry Christmas. I was sorry. Stop! Don't.
Where's Cobblepot?
I ain't telling you, Jack.
A little more pressure and I'll crush your larynx. What's it going to be?
All right, all right. He's in his office. Only way in is through the theater, on the other side of the casino. But you'll never get past Tracy.
Tracy is not a problem. That worked better than the last interrogation.
can't say I'll miss the first look at it.
What do you think he'll call it?
Final offer 2?
Final offer? It's the final offer. As in final? As in he can't make another one?
Good point. Well, maybe a new name's good luck. We could use it.
Especially for that.
Yeah, who'd think to break into...
Who is he?